Fulani headsmen don't come demand for 495 billion naira. 495 billion. I not talk say 495,000 billion naira. Ask me why. They say now for compensation over the lives and properties where they lost. Now remember during the NSAS protest, according to them, they say they get videos, they get pictures wey go show as evidence say there are people too die for that protest. So no be only we lose people, so they too they lose people, and now they don come outside, and according to them, they even dey add on top of the matter say they get right to do business anywhere and they get right to stay anywhere as long as Nigeria is concerned. So because for now we no know who be the mugu wey dey talk now. Join me, make we watch the video.
151 people lost their lives at the SASA incident. And then in the hashtag NSAS protest, we also lost not less than 100 people. At the same time, you ask of whether we have made a specific demand for the estimate for the compensation. Yes, we've requested for 475 billion naira for the loss as compensation for the loss of lives and property destroyed. We also lost about more than 100 trucks. We have their state, we have their villages, we have the pictures, we have the videos, we have the properties that have been damaged. Here, thank you very much. Let me have that. For the purpose of this, we are not saying what we are saying because we have all the pictures here. People that have been killed, damaged, detailed pictures of people that have been killed.
This has been sent.
This has been sent to all quarters. The presidency, office of national security advisor, the IG of police, the National Assembly, everywhere. American embassy, United Nations, German embassy. We have sent it to British Parliament, and we have all the pictures of our people that have been killed. So everything we say because we have the document at hand.
See mouth. You even they threaten people on top. We don't suffer. We don't suffer all in the name of a Buhari. Hope you they see what they make us go through for this life. Like say we do mistake, we do something bad as we vote for you inside. No be even we as they vote for you, because me I know I tell you this every day. I don't belong to any party. You understand? So as when I vote for now, it be like say una do bad. How person with senses will just come outside. Hey, Chineke. So now, what did these people they try tell us be say? They get right to do business anywhere. They get right to stay anywhere. Una get right to stay anywhere and do business anywhere. But una go buy land. Nobody want go they force people they carry their land. Because now what they do? Any small thing they do by force. Violence. Now they una blood for this life. Una no fit just why even they stress myself? Now even go school. Now people will go school at least that one they get head. They know say they need. You need talk to person. No be violence be the answer. So now another point again, my people. These people now they don't come outside. They talk about their rights. I don't know say they know what to be right oh. Because since we they tackle all these people matter, I never say they get rights. Okay, may we discuss rights matter. So what happen to right to life? Mr. Know It All. I mean, you know it. Wetin happen to right to life? Life. The life una they take from people like say now una give them life. Una don't kill people, una don't kidnap, una don't rape. Wetin happen to right to life? No, I be una want a debate. May we start. Because if we start this thing, I get plenty things where we not go even come up for here. No mercy. Mercy no even do una dictionary. Una just they live una life every. See una mouth like 495. Una this na chewing gum. 495 million naira. Come carry na. No, why you not just make a random figure 500,000 billion so that we go no say okay. not be only 495. How much be Nigeria net worth? When I wan collect, I no even sure say Nigeria net worth sef even reach that amount. Una dey come collect this thing. No. See, my people, be like say they swear for Nigeria. No, not, I know they talk am in a bad way, but I just dey tell una wetin I just dey perceive. They don't swear for Nigeria. Una remember 3 years back, no be like this we dey now. 4 years back, 5 years back, at least we see. No. This thing na pathetic. If I dey sit down dey think of this country, now wey I even dey remember. Wait. Hey, this my brain, it too sharp. You no fit do me wayo. Abeg wait to my people. If I dey wrong, make una correct me now. All this one wey they bring evidence, say they get picture, they get videos, say their people die. Abeg go. Abi Lagos government be tell us say nobody die. Wait, Abi I dey dream, Abi I no just understand. Make person just tell me something because I know. Hey, wait oh, Lagos government tell us say nobody died. Say, you know, remember the time when all of us they bring the matter, say bullets, many issues, say blood, people die. They say nobody die. Even when we show them video, we show them pictures, they say na Photoshop. God, you know they sleep. Hey, oh yeah. They don't bring pictures too. They don't bring videos. It's Photoshop. Case closed. We know they argue this thing because now them even tell us say nobody die. So Biko, nobody die. Oh. Now be say this allegation that be this proof where they bring. It no concern any of us because una think una dey wise. See, una don't wish the wisest of the wisest all. I no foolish oh. As I be remember things. Now even they talk about property. Property, headsmen, property, headsmen. Una get property. So as una dey like this, they go call people wey get property to come outside. Una too, una go follow with una K-legs. Una go follow, join people wey get property. Make una no allow me call on the God of thunder because the way go strike una. Hey, una no go even believe say na way. Una no go believe wetin hit una. No parting. Property. Una property, you know, not even get anything. I dey sure say even the cows wey they push safe. If not for Buhari, una no go even get these same cows wey we dey talk about. If no be for God, hey, and for the fact say no be all of us be the same, you understand? Because some of us still get good hearts. If not, all of una, see, we don't suppose clear una. Una not even suppose they breathe again. Una no go happy self say we see they look una, we see they give una chance to live. No be only property, no be only right to do business, right to una go soon get right to do business. No, make una continue. I don't know whether they don't close. And the one now when me I even they wait for. Hey, maybe Buhari just come out say they sign check or they give wahala wey go shele for this country. Hey. In fact, our president, he go wish say he travel. No even try am. Yeah, President Buhari, no try am. Say they give person money. Let me say you go settle everybody. You go settle everybody because we too, we get people where we get where they be dead that place where they disappear. So you go give everybody money, if not like that, so that peace go reign. You understand? It is very, very important. Me, I know they inside that one they do. This or this one. See, if you answer these people now, what you go cause? Make I just give you advice. In fact, in advance, you are about to cause war. When people come out, they protest against police. Una go come, they talk about. See, I no get on that time. I don't talk with me. I won't talk. So anybody will get here, make it hear them. You understand? So my people, now the plan of una beloved president. So I don't bring her now. So if una no say una know where this money, they make una go carry because they go give these people. Anyhow, we know say they go give them. So now just the battle we won't fight now. So drop your comments for that comment section and make sure say you share this video so that everybody go know what they happen right now for Nigeria. It is very, very important before they sell us finish, join the country. And make sure say una subscribe. If you never subscribe, click on that notification bell. If not, una go dey miss everything when we drop. Stay tuned for our next story. wonder shall never end, oh my people. Hey, before we finish one matter, na so another matter go just hit us. This one now, hey, I don't even know how I even want take narrate this matter. My people, person go person shop, say they go buy rice. 20 bags of rice. Una know how economy be now. I dey sure say for the owner of this shop mind you don't dance finish say God thank you, you bring customer for me. Oh, this one no say na scam. My people, person bring 400 and something thousand. They count them together. Oh. No be say they just put them down. They even count the money 400 and something. Put am inside rubber. Ngwanu, they can't give the person 20 bags of rice. Put am for a car. The person can't drive go. This woman said she dey go deposit money for bank. Now, so as she opened the nylon, now only papers full inside. Hey, she don't know whether to die, to faint. As in, the thing just do her body like say, I beg, make her no waste my time. They tell una many things. Make una see her and hear her with now ear. So join me, make we watch the video.
As you can see now, this happening live in Ogwashuku now. Life in Ogwashuku. Someone came here and buy how many bag of rice you buy? 20 bag of rice. With how much? Where this guy?
How much?
You go there? 470,000 naira. I be a go when I come to the money is completed. When the person left now, they not be in the money turn to paper. Life in Ogwashuku now is happening live. Just now, bag of rice, 20 bag of rice. Like they said, as you can see now, 20 bag of rice cost of 400,000 naira. They pay cash. They counted the money completed. Then the woman pretended to go and put the money in the bank. Now brought it back out from the bag again. The money is now turned to paper, and they have moved away with the rice. In Siena, white Siena, or Siena Kobu, white Siena. They have moved away with the rice now. Siena, with the Siena boss, white Siena. 400,000 turned to paper, white paper. This is Ogwashuku. You can see me live. So I'm not be saying that tell me. So I'll be fake. It happened live in my present now for Ogwashuku now.
I beg, I don't understand. Where una they take all this jazz from? Because I need see, una just they use the thing for the wrong purpose. If una give me all this power, where una they claim say una get. Hey, Chineke, Buhari. I don't turn am to cow since. Not be this one that they do and they change bag of rice. Turn Buhari to cow, may we know where our life they go. You understand? No, they waste. Hey, some kind people now they form a hand. Sharp. May we just hear for latest news. President of Nigeria just turned to cow. See how jubilation go happen. Oh, I beg, bros. I don't know your name. Oh, you will go do this and I know say they hear me, they watch me now. I beg, your next target, I know they support what you do, but if you do it for boo-boo, you understand? You go see say Nigeria go even put money enter your account. Not be this way they do fake. Chineke. Now people come tell me say maybe they exchange nylon. They no exchange nylon. This thing is real. Until it happen to you, before you go know say this thing they happen. It don't happen to people. People don't come outside, they testify, they give their own. To you, it go be like dream. Now so they do. They put something for mouth, they go just come talk to you before you know you don't sell your house. Now when they don't go, your eye don't open and the papers already there with them. All these things are real. Now wait till they try tell una. You understand? So make una see if you dey say for shop, open your eyes. Shop owners. 20 bags just go. In fact, this 2021 it dey do me like say na 2020. 2020 just go change cloth, wear bone straight, come back as 2021. Now so this year they do me. No, they don't say transfer better pass cash. Who tell you transfer where they due people? You go receive a lot like this. You go they see them say so amount has been transferred to. By the time you check again, money no dey. My people are now becoming smart. They are becoming smart doing the wrong things. Many of them no go believe. Now like that it always be. Now later on I go can say, hey Madam Africa, you are right. Nigeria a movie on your own. Serious movie. Nollywood. I don't even know how come Nollywood never act Nigeria as a movie. Una go say die because things where they happen now. See, make una open una eye. And for una, All of una wey know say as una dey watch me now, you know say you dey do this thing wey you go dey do people jazz, gist, all those plenty things. No try come my shop. Hey, fire wey go burn una. By now una suppose know say I be prayer mistress. I dey scatter prayer. If you enter my shop, you go just turn to ashes. Because I no just understand how person fit suffer. You know wetin be 20 bags of rice? No be those small 5 kg o. We dey talk about the bags, big bags. Imagine how this shop owner don suffer. Maybe na even loan. She take loan that money wey she go stock her shop. Maybe na person borrow. So, Chineke, how this person suppose recover now? You know wetin be 400 and something? Una wicked. Forget say I dey laugh o. Una dey very wicked. This thing, I dey look for the English wey I go use. Chai. Nigerian problem is, see, e dey far from politicians. Of course, we know say government get their own. But you see Nigeria problem, no be only politicians. E dey far. Even we ourselves, we dey add to problem wey politicians don already give us. When we suppose dey for each other, see, now this be the time wey we suppose dey hold each other hand, support each other, fight for each other. But no, some people just decide say for this life e no go better for them. They just wake up, decide say e no go better for them for this life. Una just dey lazy about. Una don refuse to work. Una don refuse. Sit down, think of wetin you wan do with your life. They no want that one. They no want that one o. They want the one wey person don work finish, sweat finish, then they go reap for where they no sow. Una time go soon reach. Look me very well. See this my face. Na me talk am. Una time go soon reach. Make una continue. See, the rope still long. Una still dey pull am. Una go soon know wetin dey hold that rope. I don't know why every time una dey like make person dey cry. Like una dey happy when people dey cry. Who knows whether owner of that shop, whether your husband don die, or whether, see, people dey go through things. I dey beg una, no dey carry una own, dey add inside people's problem. As we call this world, we come on our own. Oh. We enter this world on our own. Therefore, everybody get their own problem. Now, why people no dey help people again? If una notice, see, out of 100%, if you see people wey help, let's say like 30%, 70% don give up. Because if they tell una matter wey they experience every day, you go even tell them say abeg no help again. They don tire. You go help person wey you even help, na that one sef go even carry knife behind you, chook you. So how you want make people come dey help people again? Because of all these things. Una go dey lie, una go dey deceive, una everything on top of one person head. See, my people, I know say me I get soft heart. You understand? Me I easily dey feel for people. But now I don learn one thing. You see all these people wey una dey see say they dey waka for road wey they don mad. No pity them. No pity them. E get wetin they don go put their hand inside. See, all these mad people, even the ones wey no mad but they don almost mad, na swear they swear for them. Why? They either thief, they cause problem for person husband house. Now why all of una slay queens una too follow? Make una relax. I know dey pity mad people. Not just mad people, all those people where if you dey see them, you go, hey God, make I help this one. Oh, wetin happen to this one? Oh, wetin? Na lie. They don't go do something. Like person wey carry this money now. Bags of rice. They don't swear for am o. Now you go do okay. Let's say in 1 or 2 months time, you go enter street, you don't mad. Una go come dey say, oh, sorry. Hey, wetin do this one? Una no know say na wetin push am enter street mad. So me, I no dey pity people again. Unless I see proof, say I know say okay, this one hand clean. I know they do am. Now so they go they do pity face, so that you go just pity them. At the end, Me, I don't come tell una this one oh, before una go talk say I see this one, I no bring am. So for una wey get eye, open am. Una wey get ear, open am. You understand? Because now these people they dey everywhere, and na the new means be that. So make una no forget. Remember everything wey I don tell una now. For una eye, e go happen. So my people, yes, na the matter be that wey I bring for una. So I still wan know any of una wey know another story wey happen wey you wan address am, drop am for the comment section. You fit help person, nobody can tell. You understand? And make sure say you share this video so that everybody go know wetin dey happen now for Nigeria, oh, so that they go dey very careful. And if you never subscribe, very very important. See my hand, I dey beg, subscribe so that you no go miss anything wey we drop. Don't go far, guys. Love you. See you later.